Hey guys, welcome to my financial mistake. Just keep in mind that this build was over a span of almost 4 years, so all the parts that you see that are not added to the cost was because I already owned them before. I've owned this shit box for 8 years and thankfully avoided the crazy markups these tin cans are going for now. I drove it around when it was painted a gorgeous lime green, which showed everyone on the road I meant serious business. On a serious note though, just be wiser with financials because it's getting tough out here. I'm thankful that I'm in a good position financially, but I wasn't always in this position. I really had to grind hard to get here. I built a good emergency savings account, have investments, and whatever else I had left, I spent on this car, which snowballed to a grand total of $59,464.45. Fuck. I'm not gonna lie, I did not expect to be that high. It is what it is, I guess. Enjoy the video, guys, and yeah, have a good one.
Days turn into nights, conversation turn into fights. You gon' be alright. Love turn into life. Girl, you be burning so bright. Let me turn off the lights. Stay awake till the morning. Ain't always great, but it's never boring. I've been itching for your love. Want to feel the get drunk and become but baby, don't stop now, 'cause it ain't on. Years ago I was so dumb, foolish, young and stupid. Look at who I have become. I ain't gonna break your heart, promises always say, baby, don't go now, hold it close. I know it hasn't been easy, baby. You don't wanna leave, baby. Oh. I know I hate to keep you, baby.
I need to call. Oh shit.
Days turn into nights, conversation turn into fights. We gon' be alright. Love turn into light. Girl, you been burning so bright. Let me turn off the lights. Let's wait. Ain't always great, but it's never boring. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. When it's right, alright.